Hi, I'm Becca from Assay Genie. Today I'm going to talk to you about our sandwich ELISA protocol. In a sandwich ELISA, capture and detection antibodies bind to non-overlapping epitopes on the protein to sandwich it. Following the addition of the detection antibody, a chemical substrate is added to produce a colorimetric signal that can be read by plate reader. Our ELISA kits come with extensive validation data to support your experiments. Sample preparation plays a significant role in successfully performing ELISA tests. It should gently collect target proteins of interest. Full sample preparation guidelines can be found in the technical manual. The protocol is as follows. Set the standards, test samples, and control wells on the pre-coated plate. Record their positions. Next, add 100 microliters of standard or sample to each well. Incubate for 90 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Aspirate and wash the plate twice. Then, add 100 microliters of biotin-labeled antibody or antigen working solution to each well. Incubate for 60 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Aspirate and wash the plate 3 times. After washing, add 100 microliters of SAB working solution into each well. Then incubate for 30 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Aspirate and wash the plate 5 times. Then, add 90 microliters of TMB substrate solution. Incubate for 10 to 20 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Finally, add 50 microliters of stop solution. Read at 450 nanometers and calculate. Here is a table comparing the sandwich and competitive technologies. Check out our ELISA principles, protocols, methods, and kits at the link below.